The Affenbencher dog. The Affenbencher, also known as the monkey terrier, is a terrier-like toy pincher breed of dog. The breed is German in origin and dates back to the 17th century. The name is derived from the German F, monkey. Dogs of the Affenbencher type have been known since about 1600, but these were somewhat larger, about 12 to 13 inches, and came in colors of gray, fawn, black, and tan, and also red. White feet and chest were also common. The breed was created to be a ratter working to remove rodents from kitchens, granaries, and stables. Banana Joe V. Tani Kazari, aka Joe, a 5-year-old Affenbencher, was named Best in Show at the 2013 Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show in New York City. This win is notable since it is the first time this breed has won Best in Show at Westminster. An Affenbencher generally weighs 6.5 to 13.2 pounds, 2.9 to 6 kilos, and stands 9 to 12 inches, 23 to 30 centimeters tall at the withers. It has a harsh raw coat when it is not calibered, and if calibered it can be softer and fluffier. It has a notable monkey-like expression. Its coat is shaggier over the head and shoulders, forming a mane with a shorter coat over the back and hindquarters. It is harsh and wiry in texture when properly maintained. The FCI and KC breed standards specifies that the coat must be black, but the American Kennel Club also allows gray, silver, red, black, and tan, and a mixture of red, brown, black, and white hairs. The tail is sometimes docked, but in countries like Europe it is illegal.